I have to leave for the night. I'll be back at 6 a.m. You'll be okay. I left chores on the board. You need to earn your allowance money before I get home. If someone knocks, don't open right away. Look through the front door glass. Check the cameras on your laptop. Listen to what they are saying. Help the people who really need it, and you'll earn your allowance money. Let the wrong ones in, and you'll know. If something doesn't look or sound right, turn off the porch light and they'll leave. Have a good night. Take care of the house.
We're tracking an escaped alien organism.
An alien?
It can imitate human behavior. Open the door. I need to ask you a few questions inside. Fine. Stay alert tonight.
There's a party tonight.
A party?
Yeah, you should come.
I don't think I can.
Come on. Don't be boring. Open up. I'll give you the address. Fine. Have fun staying home alone all night. We have math homework due tomorrow. I'm stuck on question 7. Can you open the door so we can compare what we have? Fine. I'm smarter than you anyway.
I'm handing out samples on this street.
At night?
Yeah, new route, weird hour.
What kind of sample?
Vanilla strawberry swirl. Open up and I'll give you one. Fine. More for the next house.
got any food in there? I haven't eaten in 2 days. I'm hungry out here. All right, friend. Enjoy your full belly.
I got lost walking home.
Are you okay?
I don't know where I am. Can you bring me a phone so I can call home? Please don't leave me out here. Thank you.
I will get you my phone.
Mom? Can you come get me? Okay, I'll wait here.
My boyfriend just broke up with me. I'm a mess right now. Could I use the tissues in your bathroom? Hope you never get dumped.
Hey, it's me. Open up. I saw you walking home
Who?
earlier. You don't remember me?
No,
I said hi to you by the corner store.
I don't remember that.
I waved. You smiled back. Want to play outside? Fine. You could have just said no.
I'm here to fix the leaking bath faucet.
My parents didn't tell me about that.
I just go where the work order sends me. Open the door and I'll get it fixed real quick. Thank you. I'll be quick. house. It should be good now.
We're searching the neighborhood for an escaped prisoner. He was seen nearby about an hour ago.
What should I do?
Open the door. I need to check around your house to make sure. Stay calm. I'm just going to look around quickly. Everything seems normal here. Seems fine. Everything seems normal here. Everything looks clear. Keep your doors locked tonight. I've got a large pepperoni pizza for this address.
We didn't order pizza.
Placed it.
My parents aren't home.
Well, somebody paid for it already. Can you open the door so I can hand it to you? Here's your pizza.
Thanks.
Have a good night.
Sorry to bother you. I'm not feeling great.
Are you okay?
I just got really dizzy. Could I rest in your bed for a few minutes? All right. I'll try to find somewhere else to rest.
Jess?
I'm not Jess.
Sorry. I'm lost.
Do you need help?
Died. Can I borrow yours? Oh, so now you're ignoring me? Sorry, I really thought you were Jess.
It's okay. I'll get my phone.
Thank you. You seriously saved me tonight.
I'm practicing for a recital tomorrow. I need one more person to watch my choreography.
Right now?
Please, I just need a little space to dance. You could have at least watched one dance.
Hey, I'm your new neighbor. I thought I should come introduce myself.
It's kind of late.
Yeah, I got excited. Open up for a sec. Hey, I'm Daniel. I just moved into the blue house down the street.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah, I wanted to meet the neighbors. Nice meeting you, neighbor. See you around. My dog jumped over your fence a minute ago. Can I go into your backyard and get him? Thanks. Got him. Thanks. He's usually way calmer than this.
My black cat got out. I saw her in the window.
In their room?
Yeah, can you get her? Her name is Luna. Fine. I'll keep looking for her then.
We started emergency water work on your street tonight.
Okay.
Your water's probably running brown by now.
Seriously?
Yeah, go check. I have a notice with the details if you can open the door. Fine. Don't say we didn't warn you.
I'm making a protein shake. I forgot water at home. Can you bring me a glass of water real quick? Thanks, bro.
Here.
Huge save. See you at the gym. I'm trying to find my daughter's house.
I don't think this is the right one.
Oh dear, could you open up? Well, through the door. Thank you. I'm looking for Karen McLeod's house.
Oh, you're lucky. That's just next door.
Oh, well, that's not my best moment. Sorry for bothering you. Thank you for helping me.
I'm home. Look at you. You made it. The house looks good. You got the allowance money too. Here. You earned this. Go to sleep.